go, there we go. This is nice.
Love her like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
What's up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. And yeah, it's should be the thumbnail as well, but if you guys like to see, then stay tuned and let's hop into this video. Okay, so boom, I got my two sections back here. This is everything I don't need right now. And I have these two sections out in the front. I made two because I want bangs, and yeah. I have two pieces. One is here. Got my two pieces here. They're equally the same, so yeah. Just gonna go ahead and use one for one side and one for the other. And I'm gonna use this like just to sleek the perimeter of the braid, and we'll worry about whatever baby hairs or whatever after. From our one section, because remember I just showed you guys I had two pieces, so from the one we're going to break that down into smaller pieces, so probably like 3 or 4. Dang, yeah, like 3 or 4, and that way you can just go ahead and add them easily while you're braiding. So I have them set up, and yeah, let's just go ahead and start braiding. So take like a triangle because I'm going in that direction. So guys, don't make this more difficult than it needs to be. Just braid your hair. And go ahead and add my first piece. So just add that in and keep braiding as normal. And add another piece of hair sooner than later. So that's what I'm going to do. So I just added in the second piece to our bangs, bang gang. This is just expressions braiding here, guys. So let me show you. I'm stuck to that piece up there, but that's neither here nor there. Just go ahead and braid, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add in that last piece that is causing me havoc. And same thing, just braid as normal. Okay guys, after you finish braiding, I'm almost done, but after you finish braiding, you're just gonna do the exact same thing to this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Same vibe, you already know. Guys, my head is mud right now, see? But that's why I'm doing this video, to do it, duh. And obviously I could have did my hair off camera, but you're welcome. I thought I would share with you guys how to do this hairstyle. So voila, here is why I'm on camera looking dusty. But is it really dusty? Because I'm still giving. Her is still giving, very much still giving. However, yeah, I need to do my hair, but I'm just chatting as I braid the ends. Okay, braid your ends and take it down. And as I said, I already pre-parted it out, so it's good to go. And I'm just gonna start braiding. I think I'm gonna do this side first and then do this side, and then I'm just gonna braid it into one braid after. So what I did is I split all the hair that I'm gonna use into half, and then after that, because I have 3 main sections on each side, 1 2 3 1 2 3, as you can see behind me, I split that half a section into 3 there, so each one will have that. Anyways, baga chattins, just watch the video. So we're just gonna need to put a line in here to basically define the heart shape that we have going on. So pretty much it looks like a triangle. And just gonna braid like that. But you will see. As you've seen, I put a little bit of mousse on there. My hair was already moisturized earlier, but I've been procrastinating to do my hair, so this is when it's getting done, and clearly the moisture that I put in has dried up in these loose twists that I have my hair in after sectioning it. But this is life. We will go on. The show must go on. I haven't said it yet, but I am doing a challenge where, one, I'm doing a no heat 6-month challenge. That's one. And that's as of, when did I wash my hair? I have no idea when I washed my hair, but we'll just call it, was at least 3 days ago. I don't know. I haven't used, either way, even before then, I haven't used the heat minus when I straightened it. So it doesn't matter. So that's when we're starting from. We can even start from January 1st, but we'll start from January 1st, and 6-month no heat challenge and no combs. Feel free to join in with me. Feel free to join if you want to join. If not, feel free to watch. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and braid it now. I told you guys earlier when I was doing the bangs up here, I am not going to be concerned about the baby hair till last minute for this hairstyle. Then in the comment section below, let me know if you leave some product on the back of your hand so that you can use it for sleekage purposes throughout with easy access. Okay, you're probably wondering, yo, why hasn't she added hair yet? I don't know. I haven't found it necessary. At this point, we don't need the extension yet, but it will be coming shortly. But there's half of our heart. You see the vibe. I'm gonna go look in the mirror. And my eyes hurt from having my head like this and looking in the camera and braiding that. So I'm gonna rest my eyes and go look in the mirror like a regular person. I'll be back. So off camera, I finished the other half of the heart. It was the exact same process. Moisturized it, and then I went ahead and braided it. And then here you can see me adding in the extension to go ahead and start joining the two sides of the heart together to make a braid going towards the back there. Feel free to use Shine and Jam to continue to sleek it down. Okay, now that I have my first braid done, I took out the next section and sectioned them into smaller sections. So after that, I continued to do the same steps. I moisturized it and then went ahead and braided it. For this section, it was just a straight back braid, so there was nothing special about it that I had to show you guys. But just know that the process was the same for this braid and the middle braid. So those are just two straight back braids. And that same process for those two braids are exactly the same on the opposite side. So I didn't show that either, but just know that those are just two straight braids going to the back of your head. So if you want to do this style, then keep in mind that the 4 middle braids are just braids that are braided to the back of your head. No special design on them, just regular braids being braided towards the back of the head. But yes. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing, but I am going to show you guys the neck side. So one side of my head I did a heart, and the next side I did like not a crisscross, but just two braids meeting into one braid. I decided to do this on this side because I wanted the hairstyle to be even on both sides. I felt like the heart on one side and nothing on the other side made it uneven and maybe even would have been visually unappealing. I don't know. So I decided to do a little something kind of equal in size on this side, which just happened to be this crisscross situation. You could really do anything if you wanted to. You could do another heart on this side, but I felt like that would be a little bit too much. But yeah, feel free to have fun with it. Do what you want. And I am back. So I am done my hair, and what did you guys miss off camera? I basically just put a whole bunch of mousse on top of my head and put on my head tie and went to bed. And then after that, I did do a little peeky peek and also touch up my edges and then slap my scarf back on. But now I am back here with you guys to show you guys the results. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this out. Oh, how could I forget? Before I do that, I also put in these Flexi rods for all the braids in the back. And then I added beads to my 2 front braids, but you guys will see in a second. Here she goes again. So already hair is looking cute, but there we go. There's the beads. I like so far. I like, but yes, can you guys see? Looking cute so far, you know. Got the lashes on deck. There we go. I only have one more in. There we go. There we go. This is nice. Let me know if you guys know that voiceover. I'm pretty sure it's Tiffany. It sounds like her. If it's not her, let me know in the comment section who it is. So yeah, I just took those clips out. This is even cute out, but nobody's doing that. I feel like it gives me weird vibes. I don't know. I told you guys while braiding my hair, I'm not leaving it out like this because it's just kind of weird to me. But here it goes. That's it, just down. But yeah, I think I'm mostly gonna rock it in a pony, but I did curl the ends, not only for a little extra something back there, but also because it'll look a little bit more natural, and because when I'm ready, I will be putting this in a bun, and those curled ends are gonna hype up my bun, see? So yes, pony's a little bit tight. Let's loosen it up a little bit. I'd like to keep the hair at the nape of my neck, but this is her. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. Let me, I guess I should give you guys a 360 or whatever. Yeah, so this is the side. This side I did like some crisscross situation, you guys seen, but that's this side. And I have my shebang. And then, oh, I guess I should stop at the back. And this right here is what's going on in the back. And here is her heart. So super cute. You know. Could you expect anything less? But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Love her like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah.